Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So in this video, we'll try to cover the concepts of the control center in the Mac. So the control center is nothing but a quick way to access the quick system control panels in your Mac, right? It is actually a way to access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and multiple other options. So where can we find that control center option? So that is available in the top right corner of the menu bar. So this is our top right menu bar and the control center is present right over here. So now we have set of different options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and multiple other options which we can directly use right over here. So we have different options like display, sound, and other options, and which we can control all the options from edit control. So we see like a set of different options and set of different controls that are right available here. So say for example, if I want to have that alarm within my control center, so once we hover it, so we would see a plus icon. Once we click on this, so we would get two options. The first option is in order to add that in the control center, and the second one is in the menu bar. So once we click on the menu bar, we see that the alarm is getting added in the menu bar. But just because we don't want it on the menu bar, so we are removing it and we can add that in the control center. So once we add that control center, we would see that the alarm option is coming up right over here. We can remove it or we can add it. Similarly, we can add all the other options here, that is AirDrop, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, application windows, setting the brightness or sound or dark mode or night shift, and multiple other controls that we can use it up. So I would suggest you to kindly use all of this and try to get familiar with all of these controls within your Mac system. Let's meet in the next video.